In the previous two lectures, we looked independently at importer and distributor obligations. I know there's a lot of overlap between those two AI operators, and so in order to consolidate the differences between the two, I've provided a standalone lecture here that looks at 4 overlapping issues and differentiates the responsibilities. So here we're going to compare and contrast distributor and importer obligations, specifically concerning due diligence, compliance, reporting, and cooperation with authorities. When it comes to due diligence, the importer is responsible for verifying that the provider has conducted a conformity assessment, provided technical documentation, and assigned an authorized representative. The distributor, on the other hand, is only responsible for verifying that the provider and importers are in compliance. Concerning compliance, the importer is responsible for ensuring that the provider's name, trademark, and address are on the packaging and the documentation. The distributor is responsible for taking corrective action for non-compliant systems. That could include bringing the system into compliance, withdrawing or recalling the system from the market, and working with the relevant operators to take corrective action. Concerning reporting, the importer is required to, when risk emerges, notify the authorized representative and the market surveillance authority. The distributor, when risk emerges, is responsible for notifying the provider and importer. Similarly, when the system is non-compliant and presents a risk, the distributor must notify the provider or importer and the competent authority. One thing to look out for on the exam, if you're given a scenario where you have to determine who the AI operator is, and perhaps the scenario is saying that this AI operator is responsible for notifying the importer, well, you know it's not the importer, and so using process of elimination, again, depending on what the scenario is, it may point to the distributor. Finally, concerning cooperation with authorities, the importer is responsible for, upon request, providing authorities with the information and documentation requested, and concerning high-risk systems, cooperating with authorities. The distributor, also, upon request, is responsible for providing authorities with documentation concerning actions taken to demonstrate conformity with Chapter 3, Section 2, and concerning high-risk systems, the distributor is also responsible for cooperating with authorities and demonstrating how risk is being reduced and mitigated. In this lecture, we compared and contrasted the obligations concerning importers and distributors under the EU AI Act. The 4 sets of obligations that overlap the most concern due diligence, compliance, reporting, and cooperation with authorities. It would take a really sinister exam writer to require you to suss out the differences on the exam, but again, just in case, I want to make sure that you're prepared.